What's IObit Uninstaller? Well, IObit Uninstaller is a freeware uninstaller developed by IObit. It is designed to remove unwanted programs and their associated files from your computer completely and safely. IObit Uninstaller can uninstall stubborn programs that cannot be uninstalled by the Windows built-in uninstaller. It can also scan your computer for leftover files and registry entries from uninstalled programs and remove them. IObit Uninstaller also has a number of other features, such as the ability to uninstall browser toolbars and extensions, manage startup programs, and clean up junk files. Here are some of the features of IObit Uninstaller. Uninstall unwanted programs completely and safely. IObit Uninstaller can uninstall unwanted programs and their associated files from your computer completely and safely. This includes programs that are installed with bundleware, programs that are hard to uninstall, and programs that have been damaged. Scan and remove leftover files and registry entries from uninstalled programs. IObit Uninstaller can scan your computer for leftover files and registry entries from uninstalled programs and remove them. This can help to free up disk space and improve the performance of your computer. Uninstall browser toolbars and extensions. IObit Uninstaller can uninstall browser toolbars and extensions that you no longer need. This can help to improve the speed and security of your web browsing. Manage startup programs. IObit Uninstaller can help you to manage startup programs. This can help to improve the boot time of your computer and free up system resources. Clean up junk files. IObit Uninstaller can clean up junk files, such as temporary files, browser cache, and recycling bin files. This can help to free up disk space and improve the performance of your computer. IObit Uninstaller offers the free version and it's a powerful uninstaller that can help you to keep your computer clean and free of unwanted programs. It is a valuable tool for any Windows user.